Hi, I'm Kevin Kalka with Kalka Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning located here in Irvine, serving all of Orange County, California. And we're here today to talk about what do air conditioning ratings mean. So we have, it's sort of confusing the numbers out there and trying to determine the efficiency of air conditioners and heat pumps. And the manufacturers, each unit has a designated heating and cooling efficiency associated with it. Air conditioners in particular have an EER rating. That's the energy efficiency ratio. It's a ratio between energy used and performance. And then there's the SEER, which is the SEER rating. That's the most common one that you'll hear about. That's the seasonal energy efficiency rating. Again, that is a ratio of the unit's performance, and that's the one that you want to look at to determine what the actual efficiency is, and the EER helps as well. And then on the heat pumps, we have the HSPF, which is the heating seasonal performance efficiency factor, rather, and that's determining on a heat pump, which is an air conditioner that reverses itself and makes heat. That determines the efficiency of the heating side of that heat pump. So let's talk a little bit about those numbers and what they mean today. Energy efficiency is incredibly important, of course, and you want to get, when you buy these units and have them installed in your home, you want something that's going to perform and not cost you a fortune to operate. And to do that, you have to spend a little bit more money up front to get a high efficiency system, but they're they pay for themselves in return on your investment and lower utility cost. So the higher the efficiency number, the lower your utility bill is going to be, and the more performance you're going to get out of that particular unit. And they happen to be also, the higher the efficiency, when you get into the variable speeds of the air conditioners, those actually are a lot quieter. The decibel ratings are much lower on those as well. Those are really, really important factors to look at. There's a minimum standard in Southern California. It's 14 SEER, it's 13 SEER in the nation, 14 SEER in California. And those units are entry level. We recommend that you go into the 17 plus SEER. And that's where you get a lot more efficiency coming through the systems as well. Unless you have solar. If you have solar, then it's still good. You have to understand your panel performance to see to size your system according to that. But that's kind of another issue on the side. But if you don't have solar, then this becomes even more important to you.